Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Darman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now this is an S Pen case. It's a leather case. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Nillkin Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G case with S Pen holder, soft leather, hard PC back, bumper fill, heavy duty protection, shockproof, anti-scratch, slim for the S21 Ultra. This is the black version. Okay, here's some pictures right here. You got a brown one you can get as well. I chose to get the black, but S Pen goes on the back right there. Now it'll hold the S Pen similar to the Note or the S Pen for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now they said that they redesigned this pouch to better hold the S21 Ultra because it's larger. Now this is going to cost you $19.99. You do get a coupon, 10%. This is Nillkin. Now there are several out there that make a similar case to this that you'll see, and I think they're all about the same. But I chose to get this one because they talked about having this slot situated so you can get the S Pen in and out. All right. Okay, so here's the case. Nillkin for the S21 Ultra. It's the leather case right here. Not much on the back, a little bit of small print there for branding. Just pick it up. I'm gonna pull out the case. Got a little foam inside. Now, I have been using this case for the last few days, and it works pretty well. So the case is pretty slim on the sides, all right? And you do have a little bit of lip raised up right there. It's not a lot, but this screen area is very slim and shallow. Now, you will be able to put it down with the screen because this does raise up a little bit, but everything else is very shallow. Now you have a little bit of padding on the back because of this leather cover right here, this leather piece right here, and this piece for the S Pen. So the camera will be protected because this is raised up, as you can see. Okay, got your power button and your volume down rocker right there, and you got your opening for your charging port, mic, and your speaker right there. All right, pretty clean on this side right here, and you got your mic openings up top right there. All right, now got a little leather pattern right there, so it's got some grip. It's matte on the sides, so it's not slippery or anything. As I said, I've been using it, so you see a little bit of grime there. But let's go ahead and get the device and put it inside and see what it looks like. Okay, so we got the S21 Ultra right here. Let's go ahead and pop the case on. The snug it fits snug. It's not the tightest I've felt, but it doesn't slide around or anything when you're squeezing it or maneuvering the case. But like I said, it's very slim on the side, so you can get your fingers, your hand all the way around that, no problem. Everything lines up on the bottom. Nillkin does a pretty good job there. And all the mic holes, everything lines up right there. You see that? And the camera is going to be protected, as you can see. This is raised up a little bit. Plus, when you have the S Pen in back, it's going to protect that as well. When you set this down, it doesn't rock because of that padding on this side here. It doesn't rock. Okay, so you're gonna like that. But that's very slim, very, very shallow, but it will raise it up just a little bit. Okay, very slim there, so you got to be careful with that. All right, now compared to the other cases, as you can see, you're gonna have a lot slimmer profile here with this case here. Compared to these other two right here. And that's what I like about this one, is that you don't have to have this wide case in your hands. You got a regular type case, but you got this pin on the back. So when you get the pin, let me put these to the side right here, but the pin slides in here, and I like to put this now. I've been doing it for a couple of days, so it's going in a little bit easier now than it was before, but it's pretty easy. It's got some resistance when you put it in, and it's not as easy to get out. You got to pull it out. You're going to have to pull it out, and that's probably made by design so it doesn't fall out or slip out. All right, but it's a good place to hold the S Pen, as you can see right there. All right, now when you do set it down, it's going to lean to one side. All right, might be good for watching a video, maybe, I don't know, but that's what you're going to get there. Now, when you take it out, you're going to have no problems. Now, let's see. And so when you're writing, this won't rock or anything like that when you're writing on the device. Okay. Now, this can also hold an S Pen, a regular S Pen, like the one for the Note, for example, if you want to. And so, as you can see, it fits in there pretty good. and it doesn't come out. It's not going to come out or anything, and it doesn't like slip out. So, but it's not as tight as the S21, but it does fit in there. Okay, so you can put that in there as well. Okay, so we got the charger. You put it on without the pin, and it's going to pick up wireless charge, no problem. You know, when you stand it up, you're going to have wireless charge, no problem right there. Same thing. And when you put it down, you're still going to pick up wireless charge, no problem. Okay. Now, let's see what happens when you put this pin inside and try to charge. Okay. Let's see how that works out. Let's put this down. All right. So it picked up wireless charge. Let's see if it holds it. So it is charging, but I will tell you this is going to depend on the charger that you have, because this charger is pretty big and it's got a big, large coil area. It's able to pick up no problem. But if you got a smaller one, it might not work. I did try it on a smaller one and it doesn't always work. So you got to be situated just right. Let's see how it works when you stand it up. All right, I didn't get it charged in that position there. Well, it says fully charged, so it did give me a little something. All right, so the phone is fully charged, so it will pick up wireless charge. All right. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Nillkin S Pen leather case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's a pretty good case, and I think it's a good way to hold the S Pen. You can hold it in your hand without having that wide bulk, and you got kind of a focus area in the back to put your fingers in, so that's pretty good too. But it's grippy, it won't slip out of your hands, and it's nice looking. All right, nice executive look there. Okay, they got a brown one as well. All right, now I will put the link in the description for if you want to get it. Now, if you got any questions, here in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.